Okay, let's go over a fun drawing of Godzilla running, right? Kind of like in the new movie, Godzilla New Empire, Godzilla King Kong New Empire. And it's going to be a little bit cartoony, so let's do it. Let's walk through this whole thing very gradually. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to draw kind of like Godzilla's cheekbone. I'm going to start with that. Going to go on this side. This other cheekbone. Gonna kind of ladder it up over here, kind of go into the brow area. The brow area is kind of like the area above his eye. That's something to kind of remember. Gonna ladder it up here a bit here, and then I'm thinking of that area would be the area above his eye. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna pull a line to the center right there, over here as well, from that brow. It's important. Line over here to the middle. And I'm going to throw a couple little lines over here because he's like furrowing his eyebrows in like in an angry way, which is Godzilla-esque. But first thing I do here is I'm going to draw a line over here for the inner eye, line over here for the inner eye, out over here, curve right there for the eye on that side, curve over here for the eye on this side. We're thinking, again, cartoony stuff here, right? Line for the top of the nose, down. A lot of lines, by the way, forgive me. And we're gonna kind of pull into the opening of the mouth. So straight line right here, curve, and then up over here. None of this stuff has to be exact. Don't worry about it. We're kind of just doing it. You know, we need the impression of it. That's all we need. So don't worry about how exact anything needs to be. Alrighty. Out over here on the side. So kind of the jaw right there, lower jaw. Down right here, curve, and up. And then we're going to have the teeth coming down out of his mouth right here, just triangles downward. All right. Hopefully everything's making sense. Let me know. Say, hey, what's up in the comments section? What's going on? Definitely hit the like if you like the slow way I'm teaching, but if not, let me know. I want to hear it. The nostrils right here, which look like little apostrophes. And we're going to draw a curve line up over here for the top of the head. All right, so far so good. I'm going to go right here, draw a circle for one eye, and a circle for the other eye in there. Highlight, dot, highlight, dot. Down over here for the shoulder, and down over here on this side for the shoulder. He's gonna be running, remember? So before anything else, well, okay, we're gonna be running, so we're gonna draw a line over here, down for the elbow, curve over here in, line up over here for the arm. And now I'm gonna go over here the hand and draw one hook, like almost like a hook shape, other hook shape for the line, for the hand. Line over here for the chest area, and then downward over here for the rest of the chest area. So let's draw. We haven't even gotten to the spikes yet, right? But don't worry, we'll get there. Line over here on this side for his other arm on the other side, out over here.
Hey, let's take a quick break, and I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is cute drawings, something you all want to do. And I understand when you're doing some of this stuff, sometimes things don't turn out the way you want, right? Sometimes the head's too big, or the arm's too long, or the line is wobbly, or what do I do here? How big do I make the eyes? I understand all these questions, so I made a guide for you to kind of clear up anything that you have. Pretty much all the questions I got on cute drawings, I answered them all in this guide. It is a 20-page guide entirely on how to turn anything cute. Like, I go over head sizes. Oh, shit. So let me give you an example really fast. So something we talk about a lot is proportion, and that is the most important part of drawing something cute. So what I do is I go over the eyes and how big to make the eyes compared to the head, and that is one way to do it. But 95% of the cute stuff you see everywhere has the exact same formula, and this is it. Another thing I want to talk about is, and then I throw other extras like, expressions and also cool poses you can do. I'm not going to have this book up forever, so get it right now while you can, and it is totally free right now in the description. All you got to do is go down, put your email in and your name, and then you download it.
Curve right here for the claw. Line over here. Line over here for the claw on that side. Spike for the top of the head. Spike for the top of the head. Spike right here on the top of the head over here. Another one, but we're not going to draw the big ones yet. Don't worry, we will get to that. And then we're going to pull down. He's going to have his leg as he's running forward. Downward over here. Outward, right there. Okay. Line down here, and then pull down for his other leg. For the foot. Curve. And nail and nail. Line over here. Curve over here for the elbow, the knee right there. So he's got one leg thrown back as he's running forward, and this one right here, this leg is forward as he's running forward. Obviously. So now we're gonna go right here. He's got 1 foot back. We're gonna see the top of his foot on this side. We're right here. We're gonna see the bottom. Please don't forget to say, hey, what's up in the comments. I love hearing that. I love hearing your thoughts. So, and then we're going to go right here for the tail. Okay. Let's draw some spikes right here. Let's draw a spike right there, spike right there, spike right there, spike right there as it goes. And then we're going to go over here now and draw like a 3-pronged like mountain right there, little spike. That's what it reminds me of, little mountains. Spike over here. Right there, bigger spike. And these are overlapping. See how this is overlapping that? This is in front of that. So kind of remember that. Because he's running at us, these are going to overlap gradually like so. If you want to learn a lot more, absolutely go to the comments. Go to the description. There's a lot of cool programs I have there on Skillshare or on Udemy or anything kind of like that. I teach a lot of this stuff step by step, like slower, and we kind of go over different things. So I say, hey, this looks like this shape, which is a big part, I think, of learning, is comparing it to different shapes. So these get smaller as they go down. And then I would say the rest of this design, Godzilla here, it would be thin lines, for texture. Very thin lines because you don't want them to interfere with anything. Right? You don't want them to interfere. Yeah, these thin lines for texture. You can throw like a little darkness here. Again, I always recommend doing this in like every drawing. Maybe darkness under the neck and maybe a little bit in the armpit area, right? Think about where there's going to be like darkness, right? That's kind of something to remember. That's Godzilla running. I think it's cute. If you like cute drawings, go check out the free drawing ebook that I think I probably announced in the middle of this. The ebook is really, really, really solid. I'm very proud of it, and go check it out right now while it's free, because I'm not gonna have it free forever, to be honest. But yeah, take a look at it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Let's do another video together right now. Stay with me right now. We're gonna do another video right now together. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.